Next, let's talk about you yourself, and do you have what it takes to be an entrepreneur? A lot of people, if you ask them what they do, and if their first response is, I'm an entrepreneur, 9 times out of 10, those aren't actual true entrepreneurs in my vision. And the main reason is that people think it's cool or it's trendy to say they're an entrepreneur. But at the end of the day, they are one of those people who just has an idea for an app or for a website, and they haven't really truly built a business before. To be a true entrepreneur, you need to be thinking about all those pieces of the puzzle. We talked a little bit about this in the previous lecture. So to be an entrepreneur, you really need to focus and have a wide net, cast a wide net, if you will. So while you're thinking about your product itself, I want you to think about hiring key staff, about creating projections, about writing a business model, how you're going to go about finding investors. Even if you just focus on maybe those 3 or 4 things, you're far ahead of a lot of entrepreneurs who are just in a hurry. They're just really excited about what it is that they do, and they want to build their product and get it out there. But once they actually get the product developed, they're kind of at a loss, or that they hit a brick wall because they don't quite know what to do with it now, because they don't have the marketing chops to pull it off, and they haven't created a forecast, and they can't find investors. So do yourself a favor and be that well-rounded entrepreneur. So you really have to ask yourself the question, if you believe you are a true well-rounded entrepreneur and you're thinking about all these things, or are you just sort of a product development person, app development, whatever the case might be. And that's fine if you are, but I encourage you at this point to go out and sort of seek some other knowledge, if you will, about the skills of an entrepreneur and how you become that sort of well-rounded entrepreneur with a lot of breadth and depth. That's what you really need. So focus on being a true entrepreneur before focused on being sort of the CEO of your own company, the founder of your own company, than just sort of a product development person.